Center stage. The team is gathering. It's time to get to work.
The modern beast has returned. Damaged in the line of duty, it rolls into the clinic.
This is $1 million machine. Seeing it broken like this is heartbreaking.
The inspection begins. Every scratch, every dent is being recorded.
Plugged in and diagnosing. The computer tells us what the eyes cannot see.
Pop the hood. We are lifting the roof to get to the heart of the machine.
Heart transplant. We are pulling out the massive diesel engine for a full rebuild.
Floating in the air. Now we can see the damage underneath. Floating in the air. Now we can see the damage underneath.
These aren't car tires. Removing these wheels requires raw power.
Piece by piece, we strip it down. Chaos before order.
The heat is on. Welding the steel frame back together, stronger than before.
Cutting away the bad to make room for the new. The sparks are flying.
All hands on deck. It's a symphony of noise, fire, and metal.
Red hot. We have to heat the metal to bend it back into shape.
Look at the size of that piston. This is where the power comes from.
Installing the turbo. This baby needs to breathe to pull thousands of tons.
Cleaning the belly of the beast. It's a dirty job, but someone has to do it.
Steady, steady. Putting the heart back into the body.
It looks like a mess of wires, but to the electrician, it's a map.
One last turn. Every bolt must be tight. There is no room for error.
Running the diagnostics. The brain of the train is coming back online.
Let there be light. Testing the new high-intensity LED beams.
The view from the captain's chair. Systems are green. We are almost there.
Resurfacing the wheels. Steel cutting steel. It's mesmerizing.
New suspension. This train needs to glide over the tracks.
Checking the brakes. Stopping 1,000 tons is just as important as moving it.
The moment of truth. Reuniting the body with the wheels. The moment of truth. Reuniting the body with the wheels.
Spin test. The wheels are rolling smooth and true.
A fresh coat of armor, covering the scars with factory-fresh paint.
Sharp lines. The detail makes all the difference.
Badge of honor. The logo goes back on.
Polishing the chrome. It has to shine like a diamond. Look at that finish. You wouldn't believe this was a wreck just days ago.
Open the gates. The beast is ready to roam the world again. Engine start. Listen to that rumble. It's alive.
The transformation is complete. From broken metal to a mechanical marvel.
Back on track. Stronger, faster, and better than ever.
Mission accomplished. Another giant returns to the rails. Full speed ahead.
New blood for the beast. Pumping gallons of fresh, high-performance oil.
Feeding the giant. It takes thousands of liters just to wake it up.
Keeping it cool. This neon green liquid prevents the engine from melting down. The ultimate test. Pushing the engine to maximum power while standing still. Look at that exhaust glow.
X-ray vision. We use ultrasound to find cracks that the human eye can't see.
Comfort is key. Installing the captain's new throne.
The old lungs were tired. This new turbocharger will make the engine scream with power again.
Out with the old, burnt metal. In with the new, shiny power. This piston is the heart of the beast.
Stopping power is everything. Replacing the paper-thin brakes with heavy-duty blocks.
The engine was suffocating. Look at that difference. Fresh air means fresh power.
A broken spine. We are installing these massive new springs to handle the heavy load.
Precision engineering. Swapping the clogged injectors for these high-tech fuel systems.
The grip of the train. We are replacing the cracked knuckle with solid, unbreakable steel.
No more overheating. Sliding in a brand new cooling core to keep the temperature down.
Dead energy. We are upgrading the old acid batteries to modern high-capacity power cells.
Smooth rotation. We are replacing the grinded down bearings with smooth, greased perfection.
From dim yellow light to blinding white beams. A total vision upgrade. From dim yellow light to blinding white beams. A total vision upgrade. Brain surgery. Upgrading the old analog circuits to a digital processing unit. The muscles of the train. The old motor was burnt out. This new copper-wound giant will provide unstoppable torque. Clearing the lungs. We are swapping the rusted chimney for a chrome-plated exhaust stack. It needs to breathe easy. Leaking vanes. We are upgrading the old rubber lines to steel-armored hydraulic hoses. No more leaks.
The powerhouse. This generator turns diesel power into electricity. We are rebuilding the core for maximum efficiency. The powerhouse. This generator turns diesel power into electricity. We are rebuilding the core for maximum efficiency.
The powerhouse. This generator turns diesel power into electricity. We are rebuilding the core for maximum efficiency. The voice of the giant. Replacing the weak, rusty horn with this 5-chime monster. Everyone will hear it coming.
Solid ground. We are cutting out the rot and welding in heavy-duty diamond plate flooring, built to last.
The silent witness. This brand new black box records every second of the journey. Speed, brakes, and location. It sees everything.
The shield of the train. We are installing this reinforced steel cowcatcher. It pushes obstacles out of the way to keep the train moving.
Traction control. When the tracks are slippery, this system shoots sand under the wheels for instant grip. We are unclogging the nozzles. Traction control. When the tracks are slippery, this system shoots sand under the wheels for instant grip. We are unclogging the nozzles.
Massive torque. This giant gear transfers the motor's power to the wheels. Fresh lubrication ensures it spins smoothly under heavy load.
The backbone of the beast. This massive crankshaft converts the explosions inside the engine into pure rotational force. New walls for the power. Sliding in fresh cylinder liners. These sleeves will hold the explosion inside. The lungs of the braking system. This air compressor pumps high-pressure air to stop the train instantly. The brain of the engine, adjusting the governor to keep the RPM steady and the power smooth.
Cooler air means more power. Cleaning the intercooler to make sure the turbo breathes dense, cold air.
The connection between man and machine, servicing the master controller for smooth acceleration.
Burning off the energy. These dynamic brake grids turn the train's momentum into heat to slow it down safely.